Rewarded Play referral bonuses depend on the current offer shown inside your account, so the amount one user sees may not be the same as another user. By the end, you'll know where to check your Rewarded Play referral bonus, how referral rewards usually work, and what to verify before sharing your referral link. The first step is checking the referral section inside the Rewarded Play app. This is where you can see whether a referral offer is currently available and what requirements are connected to it. A referral bonus is usually tied to actions completed by the person you invite. That means sharing your link alone may not be enough to receive a reward. Before sending your referral link, read the terms shown in the app. Look for the requirements your friend needs to complete, any conditions attached to the reward, and how the referral progress is tracked. The second thing to understand is that referral rewards can change. Apps often update promotions, available offers, and eligibility rules over time. If you previously saw a referral bonus and cannot find it now, check whether the promotion is still active and whether your account meets the current requirements. The third step is tracking your referrals correctly. Use the referral area in the app to confirm whether your invitation was recorded. If a referral does not appear, check that your friend used your referral method correctly and completed the required steps listed in the offer details. Avoid relying on screenshots or old posts that show previous referral amounts. The current offer inside your Rewarded Play account is the information that matters. If you are comparing referral programs, look beyond the bonus amount. Check how easy the requirements are, how the progress is tracked, and whether the reward matches the effort needed. To summarize, Rewarded Play referral bonuses can vary based on the offer available to your account. Check the referral section, review the requirements, and track each referral through the app. Your next step is to open Rewarded Play and check your current referral offer before inviting anyone. That way you know the exact requirements connected to your account. If this guide helped you understand Rewarded Play referrals, like the video and subscribe for more earning app guides.